The first multi-day trip of the year is always the most exciting, whether it's exploring a new place, exploring those places with friends, testing new gear, or whatever it is, just to get out of the normal hustle and bustle of everyday life. The goal of this trip was just to get out of town, put work behind us, get off the grid, just disconnect from the world for a few days. But as you can see just from this intro, things took a little turn, shall we say. So sit back, relax, enjoy this little cinematic of our weekend trip that turned into a little Winter Wonderland.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home.
Now at this point in the video, you're probably like, man, looks like a great time. Good weather, beautiful scenery. And as we sat around the fire in a brisk 25 degrees, planning tomorrow's adventures, whether it be fishing, hiking, or just hanging out, little did we know, Mother Nature had a different idea for us. Take a look. There it is, our little winter wonderland. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. If you liked what you saw, please join the channel, subscribe, buttons down below. Looking forward to sharing my next adventure with you, and be sure to check out the 2 videos I have linked right here. Till next time, happy trails.